Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I want to thank Jeff, who's been sending me these, or bringing me these radios to review on my show. So let's pull this off. I love these little stickers because they're really easy to get off. They don't damage anything when you take them off. This is an RCA AM portable radio. The model is RZG 104J. And they were built around 1968 to 1972. Jeff got this, what he calls N.O.S, new old stock. So it's old radio, but it's brand new. And we paid $10 for it. So we're going to take a look at it. Here we go. This is the original box, obviously. And there it comes right there. And it even has the manual, which is just kind of general information, very general information, nothing real specific there. Put that over there, because it's just an AM radio, so it's not too hard to learn how to use it. And let's get it out of the packing right here. And there it is right there. Maybe I should zoom in a little more so you can see that it is pristine. There's the headphone jack, which is mono. Back in those days, it was mono AM. Made in Hong Kong for RCA. The volume button, and let me see if I can zoom in a little bit now that got the radio up a little higher. Yeah, about there. Okay, so there's the on-off volume, and there is the tuning knob right there, and a carrying handle. Pretty much permanent unless you just want to cut it off and then you can't put it back on that I know of. It's a little bit of hard plastic, which they used back then, so it is a little stiff. There are no other markings. It just says RCA solid state on it. And then the little window here is the tuning window. So we're going to turn it on. Get this out of my way. Uses a 9-volt battery, I believe. There we go. Okay, let's tune it. Turn it back up. Wrong way. Whoa, whoa. So it picks up a lot of stations, and they're very loud and clear. I didn't go through the whole band. I'm back down to the lower end of the band.
This is the recent Ebola crisis.
There's another one.
When Ebola broke out in Africa, what was the natural response?
Pretty cool little radio.
For their own benefit to get well, but also to protect those who were healthy against the disease. If you look at the teaching of Jesus about health, literature, the obvious.
And again, I want to.
It's really bad news.
I'm gonna get my sticker back here.
But in order to
I want to thank Jeff.
the word gospel
Oh, hush. I want to thank Jeff for bringing me these radios. He travels from Jacksonville down to Clearwater, Florida. Once a month, he has a stop about midway at a repair shop that repairs radios similar to this and bigger radios. And I'm going to do a short video on that repair shop because he highly recommends it. And they've been in business for quite a while. Pretty cool. That's it. If you enjoyed my show, please give me a thumbs up. That tells me that I'm providing shows that are of interest to you. And have a great day. Bye-bye.